Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial explaining about structure of monocot root. Anatomy of monocot root. A typical monocot root consists of the following parts. Number 1. Epiblema. Epiblema is the outermost layer and also known as rhizodermis, since it gives rise to root hairs. It is made up of single-layered, thin-walled cells, and there is absence of intercellular spaces. They are devoid of cuticle. So here you have to know that if there is presence of cuticle, there will be absence of absorption of water and minerals. Since root is responsible for absorption of root and minerals, there is absence of cuticle. Both epiblema and root hair are responsible for the absorption of water and minerals. Number 2. Cortex. Just beneath the epidermis lies massive cortex. It consists of parenchymatous thin-walled cells, and there is presence of intercellular space. The cells are responsible for storage of food. When the root gets older, due to the deposition of cortex, it forms an protective layer, which is known as exodermis, which lies outward. So you can see here, this region is known as exodermis. It is responsible for protection of cortex when the epiblema is disintegrated. Number 3. Endodermis. The inner layer of cortex is called endodermis. Here you can see these barrel-shaped cells. These barrels are endodermis. Since they are barrel-shaped, they have less intercellular space, or we can say there is absence of intercellular space. They are thick-walled at the outer region, whereas thin-walled inner side. You can see here, this inner side, this inner region is known as it is known as passage cell. Number 4. Pericycle. Pericycle lies just beneath the endodermis. Here, this region is pericycle. This single layer, it is pericycle. It lies just beneath the endodermis and made up of thin-walled parenchymatous cell. In most plants, pericycle is single-layered, but some plants the pericycle is several layered. It stores food, and lateral roots also originate from this layer. So number 5 is vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means xylem and phloem and their arrangement. The arrangement of xylem and phloem is radial, which means that xylem and phloem are arranged alternately. The phloem. So you can see this is phloem, this is phloem. It occurs from the strand near periphery of vascular cylinder beneath pericycle. Phloem consists of sheath tube, companion cell, and phloem parenchyma. It helps in conduction of organic food. The xylem. Xylem is more or less circular in structure, or we can say oval in structure, and alternating with the phloem. It helps in providing mechanical strength and conduction of water and mineral salts. Xylem also consists of vessels and xylem parenchyma, but since tracheids and vessels are only responsible for conduction of water and minerals, they are known as conductive tissue. Number 6. Pith. The central region is known as pith. Pith occupies the central portion of monocot root. It consists of parenchymatous cells which are rounded or angular in shape. Pith is larger in monocot roots than in dicot roots. It is the most important point. The pith cells enclose intercellular spaces. They store food in the form of starch. Thank you.